Want to know who made changes to your Google Drive folder? Whether it's for collaboration, file tracking, or just staying organized, being able to see a folder's activity can save you a lot of time and prevent confusion. In this full 2025 guide, I'll walk you through how to easily check a folder's activity in Google Drive, step by step, without any confusion. First, open Google Drive and sign in with your account. Locate the folder you want to track. This could be any folder, shared or private. Once you've found it, right-click on the folder name or simply select it with a single click. Now, look at the top right corner of your Google Drive interface. You'll see an icon that looks like a small circle with an eye in the center. This is the View Details button. Click on it. A panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This panel has two tabs, Details and Activity. Switch to the Activity tab. Here's where the magic happens. Under the Activity tab, you'll see a complete timeline of what has happened to that folder and its files. It shows who made edits, who moved files, who added or deleted items, and even when those actions took place. If the folder is shared with others, this activity feed becomes even more valuable because you can track every collaborator's actions in real time. Want to go deeper? You can click on any file name mentioned in the activity log to open it directly. This makes it easy to verify changes or restore earlier versions if needed, and that's it. Now you know exactly how to view a folder's activity in Google Drive and stay in control of your files in 2025. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more simple tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and keep your drive organized.